If you have been spending high ridiculous amount to purchase data online or to purchase data from your network provider, then this video is for you. This video I'm going to show you how to get data at a very cheaper rate from any network of your choice that you are using. So this is not restricted to any network. So if you are using MTN, Airtel or any other network, you can get access to this plan I'm going to show you. With this plan you can get access to 1 GB for 130 naira, and you can get access to 3 GB for just 400 naira. So you can see that this plan is very cheap for you to get data. For you to get access to this plan, you don't need to download any third-party app that will charge you very high rate for you to get data on their platform, and you don't need to subscribe to any special plan on your network. This plan is already available in your SIM, but most of you don't know how to get access to it. So I'm going to be showing you how to get access to data at a very cheaper rate using any network of your choice. Before we dive in, if you have seen my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel. On this channel I teach you tips on how you can make passive income working from home. So if you want to get the latest on how you can make income from home, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that time I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. So let's dive into it. On my phone I have two networks. I have MTN and Airtel. So I'm going to show you with these two networks that I have on my phone, but can have access to this plan in any network you are using. And make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you how to maximize this plan so that you can use this plan effectively. So we are going to be starting with MTN. I'm going to go to my phone dial and then dial star 312 hash. Click on MTN. So I'm going to click on 1, which is a data plan. Then you click on 5, which is always on. So this is the plan. So you can get access to, with 3,000 you can get access to 15 gigabytes, and it will last you for 30 days. Then with 6,000 naira you can get access to 45 gigabytes, and it will last you for 30 days. So let's do a little calculation about this. So let me go to my calculator. So 6,000 naira divided by 45, so which means you can get access to 1 gigabyte for 133 naira. So let's calculate it by 3. Let's see how much it will cost us. So by 3, which means you can get access to, with 400 naira you can get access to 3 gigabytes. So you can see that this is a very good plan that you can use to get data. So let's calculate the 3,000 and see how much 1 gigabyte will cost. So 3,000 divided by 15, which means 1 gigabyte will cost you 200 naira compared to the normal 1 gigabyte will cost you 300 naira. But you can get access to it for just 200 naira with this plan. So this for MTN. So let's go to Airtel. So for Airtel it's still the same code. So star 312 hash, and click on Airtel. So you click on hash, you're going to type in 11. With 3,000 I can get access to 15 gigabytes, which is the same thing with that of the MTN that we checked earlier. With 6,000 I can get access to 45 gigabytes, and it will last you for 30 days. Then with 16 naira I can get access to 200 megabytes, and it's a daily plan. Then with 120 naira I can get access to 45 MB. With the 3,000 naira 1 gigabyte will cost you just 200 naira, and with if you go for the plan of the 6,000 naira 1 gigabyte will also cost you just 113 naira. So this is how to get access to data at a very cheaper rate if you are using MTN, Airtel and other network. Now if you go for the 6,000 naira, which is 45 gigabytes, now they will not just give you this 45 gigabytes once in a day. So this is what they do in a day. Let's go to our calculator again. Let's do 45 divided by 30. So in a day, this is what they will give you access to. So in a day, they will give you 1.5 gigabyte in a day. So they will not just give you that 45 gigabyte just once in a day. So this will help you to know how you can plan your daily browsing of the internet. So this will help you to save you a lot and will help you to streamline your activities. So this is how they spread it within that 30 days. So if you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification.